What'd that say? Come on, read it. What'd it say? Yeah. Big W. Come on now.
I used to be the kid, now they say I'm the man. You get the money, then they change like a cashier, yeah. Come through your block.
Sorry, YouTube. I think y'all know what today is. Courtney, I think they know what today is. I got that package. I got that package. Where that's from? Italy. Come on now. I got that package. Whew. Oh my God. What did it say? Farfetch Italy. Sheesh. Man. So. I got him. You know, shot with my brand. 1999 by KT. Feel me? I ain't got a website, just hit me on the gram though. At KT_Trey. New shirts coming back in July 13th. It's about to be crazy though. So, what we all been waiting for. Right here. I don't even know how to open this, John, man. Where are my scissors at? It's all my shirts and stuff, y'all. Gotta ship these joints out, you know. I gotta find my scissors. Got some. Bang. Bang. Oh, I'm gonna get back to you when I... No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep this shit running. That's one side. Uh-oh. Can't get this hot. Uh-oh, come on. It was good. After some technical difficulties. Okay, it's my invoice. Alright. As you can see. Just do this. Ooh. Let me see some. Come on. There we go. What's this? I don't know. Mcqueen booklet. You're more than welcome. Thank you. Oh my God. Got an extra pair of white laces. Boy, these joints tomorrow. Wow. Wow. Size 44. That's 11. Boy, am I proud. Boy, am I proud. I don't even know how to close the box back up. I'm about to throw these on my feet. I'm gonna let y'all know. You know, like, wow, I didn't even see my sock though. Don't mind, but sheesh. Stay tuned for another video. Feel me? Stay tuned for another video. I got y'all. I don't know what's gonna be next, but something gonna be next. So, come on now. Like, what it say? What it say? I know you're not dumb. You could read. Come on now. I didn't even want to do this. I didn't even really want to do this. But I really did. Because my next video was going to be me unboxing these joints. You feel me? So, I got them. They here. They here. That's all I can say. That's all I can say, though. If you know me, boy, am I a big stepper. Sheesh. Boy, am I a big stepper. I'm just gonna add on to the collection, you feel me? I probably don't even buy another pair of Mcqueens, though. And I sure won't. 500. My ass. I'm not doing that again. Boy. I'm not buying these again. I got what I wanted. Time to level up now. Move on to big and better. Feel me? I'm not buying these shits again. 500. I'm good. Trust me. Balenciaga's Triple S is next though. Feel me? But then again, why shop with Alexander when y'all can shop with me? Like, this is my big thing. This is the packaging you get, you feel me? Like, this is part of the package. Look. It's part of the packaging you get with me. Come on now. That's elite. I got more shirts coming out, different types of colors. Feel me? After I sell the last batch of this green, I'm gonna have some other colors. Stay tuned for the colors though, cause listen, I've been working. Trust me. Trust me. I just want y'all to know that. But you know, shop with the brand, become a lifetime member, sign up for the emailing list. Shit, I ain't got no website, I'm fucking with you. But, the whole point of this video was this. I'm just going over brands, man. You know? But, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, add me on Snapchat, whatever you need to do. I got the same name for everything. KT_Trey. Simple as that. You know. But I just wanted you to, you know, how is your room? You don't even know who in it. put yourself in your room. That's how you know it's yours. But shot with the brand, man. I'm out. Wait. This for Rob Young. This for Rob Young. Just want to put that out there. Like, I just wanted to do this because I just got my ring light, you feel me? So, don't mind me. Oh my God. Oh snap. Oh my God. So, as you can see, this ring light brightens up the room. It brightens up the room, but so do these, you feel me? But I feel like I'm starstruck. This is a movie. Seems like every store I go to, everybody wearing a mask. Seems like it, you know? So, with that being said, give me a kiss. You know you wanted it. You was looking at it. I had to do something.
I get down, I'm emotionally scarred. It's so hard to trust a girl with this vest around my heart. It's like they ripping it apart. I need a girl that's fine and do some art, and I'm hoping that she would never